A traditional Hawaiian plate lunch has 3 components. You always have a scoop of white rice, you have a type of meat, and you have a scoop of macaroni salad. Hi, I'm Jill from thisoldgal.com, and today on In the Kitchen with Jill, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Hawaiian macaroni salad using your pressure cooker. It's really terrific and you're going to love it. You can also do this recipe on the stove. I like cooking the pasta in the pressure cooker for this particular recipe because it uses vinegar, and this way the vinegar will absorb into the elbow macaroni and make it taste really great. So the first thing you want to do is take some elbow macaroni. I'm using a pound, and we're going to pour it right into the pressure cooker. Okay, thank you, Ed. And now I'm going to add some water. This is about 3 3/4 cups of water. And I'm going to add vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. Now some of you may want more vinegar, some may want less. So if you don't like your Hawaiian macaroni salad super tangy, use less. And then at the end you can add more vinegar if you like. So we're going to add this right into the pot. And of course we always want to salt the water when making pasta. So I'm going to add in some kosher salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon to start. That's all we're going to do for right now. Alright, so we're going to lock on the lid and close the pressure valve. Now, depending on the brand of macaroni you're using will determine how long you cook for. Typically, you want to look at your package of macaroni, take the lower time, cut it in half, and then subtract it by 2 minutes. So for my brand, I'm cooking this for 2 minutes. And then we're going to do a very short pressure release. Okay, so we've released the pressure by carefully jiggling the pressure valve back and forth. So you're going to want to open the lid and then turn off the pressure cooker. Hit cancel. Give it a good mix. You notice there's a little bit of liquid in here because we added some extra vinegar. Hawaiian macaroni salad is softer than usual. It's not al dente. Right, so now we're going to mix up the dressing. So I'm starting with 2 cups of mayonnaise. There's 1 cup and here's 2 cups. Ed, I've got some milk in the fridge. Can you grab that? It's on the upper left. So we're going to add the mayonnaise. Now, the key and the trick to a Hawaiian macaroni salad is the mayonnaise. You want a good brand of mayonnaise, a high quality. So use Hellmann's or Best Foods. Hellmann's is on towards the east side of the United States, and Best Foods is on the west side. There's also Duke's that we like, which is more the southern mayonnaise, but it's really, really good. So we're going to add equal amounts of mayonnaise and milk. You want to go ahead and pour that in? Carefully. Oh, look, the whole thing. Pour it right in. That's 2 and 2 we've got here. Thank you. All right, so...
Which is 4.
So we're going to mix this in. We're going to whisk it in. Where's my whisk? Let me grab a whisk. Actually, I'm going to put this right in here now. I'm going to whisk this in so it's nice and smooth, like that. All right, and now we're going to add in some brown sugar. If you want to use white sugar, that's fine. Now, this is a traditional Hawaiian macaroni salad. It's just very few ingredients, the basic ingredients. Some people might use celery, scallions, or red peppers. I'm just doing the basic. So, feel free to change it. This is just a guide. You don't have to follow exactly what I do. So we're going to whisk that in.
Spam?
Well,
Spam is big in Hawaii.
Yeah. Now there's a, this, as you know, as I said earlier, this is part of the plate lunch. So whenever even at the food trucks, if you order a plate lunch, one of your items is going to be the macaroni salad. So we're going to add in some shredded carrots. Just pour that, mix that right in to your pasta. Now, another thing about the Hawaiian macaroni salad is in Hawaii, they usually make the macaroni softer than al dente. So you can overcook it a little bit. Now the vinegar is already mixed in. As I said, normally you put the vinegar in with the dressing and then you pour that over. But I wanted the vinegar to absorb in the pasta. When I was growing up, my dad's second wife used to make a very similar dressing. and she put it over a salad. And I think there was grapes in the salad too. It was kind of like a garden salad with grapes. It's really actually very, very delicious. So this will thicken up as it cools. Now, a lot of people will take this out and let this cool first and then add the dressing. I'm going to add it now so that it's absorbed. Ed, can you grab me the big lock and lock container? I think it's in there. All right, so we're going to take the dressing and just pour it right in. I'm going to do a little bit at a time, about half of it. I think I splattered a little bit. I'm going to mix that in. It's nice and warm so that it's absorbing. See how delicious it looks? I know it seems like it's a lot of dressing, but you'll see when it's cooled off, it's really not. It's going to be just the right amount. Now also you can add half the dressing while it's warm.
This is the biggest one that was in there.
There was a big one that has a slit in the top, but that's fine. You can add it while it's warm, and then once it cools off, you want to add more so it's extra creamy. I like to add it all right now and just put it in the refrigerator and let it chill off. So I'm going to add the rest of the dressing, like that, and mix it through. Okay. Thank you. Okay, and that's all you do. All right, so I'm going to pour this into a container, and I'll put it into the refrigerator. The longer it chills, the better. So let's pour it in here. All right. This is going to be hot. I'm going to have to let Ed pour this in here. You want to pour this in here, Ed, for me? Oh, you don't even need the mitts?
No, I got asbestos hands.
Okay, so Ed's going to pour that in there. We're going to cover it over, and then we will take a test. So we'll be right back with you. Macaroni salad has been in the refrigerator for a while, and you can see how nice and creamy it is. It's no longer liquidy from the sauce. It's nice and thick and rich. Let me take a bite. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's tangy and very slightly sweet. You want to try it? Very slightly sweet. Now, oh, I should take my fork out? Okay.
Yes.
That's the look he's giving me.
My
Take
own
the fork
fork.
out.
That's the take your fork look.
So, you know, there's a place near where we live called King's Hawaiian, and Ed and I like to go there sometimes on our birthday, other times, and they have a wonderful plate lunch there, and of course they serve the macaroni salad, the traditional. It's very basic, like this one.
But this one's better.
Oh, there's tons of Hawaiian restaurants around here, so we're pretty lucky about that. So this is very, very basic salad and very traditional. Some people, I understand, might want to add pineapple or ham. What else do they add? Spam even. But this is traditional. Now remember, add whatever you like. Just because it's traditional doesn't mean you can't add your own. It's still traditional, just with some add-ins. Good?
Yeah. You're probably going to make this to take it on picnics and whatnot anyway, you know?
Yeah,
I mean, it's a change from regular, plain, ordinary macaroni salad.
Right, and you don't have to eat this as part of a plate lunch. It goes really great with barbecue ribs, with any kind of beef, especially with the beef, it goes really great.
Hamburger?
Hamburger, sure, hamburger.
I'm a hamburger fiend.
Steak, you can eat it with pork too. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us on In the Kitchen with Jill. Now, I'm going to have everything that we've done in the recipe on my blog, thisoldgal.com, so you can find the step-by-step directions. You can follow us on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram under This Old Gal Cooks. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can follow us on YouTube. If you have any comments, we'd love to hear what you have to say. Type in them below. Bye. We'll see you next time.
You can ring my bell.